Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this trailer axle with the Easy Grease spindles. This is going to be a great option for those of you who are needing to replace a single axle on your trailer, or if you're building your own trailer and you're wanting to have more of a customized suspension system, this will also work for that as well. But of course there are lots of different sizes of axles out there, so you want to make sure that you're getting the right one for you, the right weight capacity, the right length, that sort of thing. So this is a 3-inch diameter round steel axle beam. It's got a weight capacity of 5,200 pounds. So if you have a single axle trailer with a 5,200 pound weight capacity, this will work well for you. Or if you're having, if you have a dual axle trailer, obviously that weight capacity would double for you. So the next thing you're going to want to know is the length. So there's two different ways to measure the length of the axle. The first is going to be from our spring seats. That's where our leaf springs are going to attach to our axle. These are welded onto our axle, so they are going to be a nice static point of reference for us to measure from. So from the center of one spring seat to the center of the other, it's going to be right at 80 inches. The other way to measure is going to be from your hub face, where your wheel is going to butt up against your hub. Obviously, those are not installed on this axle. They are sold separately. But once you get those hubs installed, from one hub face to the other, the outside edge is going to be 95 inches. So again, make sure that that's going to work for your trailer. We do have lots of other options available here at etrailer.com. So if you are needing a different size axle, be sure to check out some of those other options. You can see this axle does have a slight bend right here in the center. That's going to be our camber. So as our trailer is under load, it's going to ensure that the angle of our tires is allowing for even road to tread contact across the full width of our tires. So we're not going to have to worry about uneven wear on our tires. It's also going to be great for your straight line acceleration and steady towing for you. Our spindles are our Easy Grease spindle. So they've got this built-in grease zerk here on the end. It's going to make it super easy to just hook up your grease gun, pump some grease in there, and it's going to come out this hole here to help fill up that cavity, make sure that everything is well lubricated. Now that's not going to replace your normal maintenance, making sure that your bearings are packed correctly and that sort of thing. It's just kind of in between that normal maintenance to make sure that everything is well greased. Our spindles are welded onto our axle using a patented process that actually allows the spindle to slide over the axle rather than just butting up against it. So that weld is going to be about 40% stronger. It's also going to help to prevent spindle failure and ensure proper alignment of our spindle. So everything's going to be right in line like it needs to be. You can see this is welded in place in a straight orientation, so there's no drop to it. The axle is going to be really durable for us, having that connection there. You can see this does have your standard brake flange there, so that it's going to be very easy to mount your brakes in place. It's also pre-wired for electric brakes. So we've got a dual wire system here that runs from one side of the axle to the other. So as you're installing your electric brakes, it's one less wire that you have to run. It's going to make it a little bit easier for you to get hooked up. And our our spring seats, as I mentioned before, are welded to the bottom of our axle. So that's going to allow us to mount our leaf springs in the underslung orientation, which is going to create a nice low ride height to make it easier to load and unload our trailer. This is CSA, QAI, and SAEN certified, so you can trust it's going to meet those high quality standards. It's going to hold up well, do the job that you need it to do. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any problems with it, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. We're always happy to work with our customers to make sure you're getting good quality products and having a good experience. So if you were to have any problems with it, you're more than welcome to reach out to us, but I really don't think you'll have to worry about that. I think as long as that weight capacity and length are right for your application, this is going to be exactly what you need. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.